Present day. Present time.
So let's say you're a new Arch user, or you're just a Linux user, and you're seeing how Arch, you're afraid of the terminal, you don't want to use the terminal, and you wish that there was like an app store, like a graphical app store that lets you install your AUR, your pacman packages, your Flatpaks, Snap if you're a psychopath. Anyway, so there is an app with a GUI that actually allows you to install all these apps on Arch through a GUI, and I just found out about this. So today I'll be teaching you about this. So I've made a video in the past, and I said that the one of the appeals when it comes to CachyOS is that it comes with own built-in GUI package manager that allows you to install your AUR, your regular system packages from pacman. It lets you install Flatpaks. It has all this app store that lets you install all these apps in ones. And Arch, Vanilla Arch actually has one, and it's called pamac. Well, there's multiple stores of pamac. Which one? There's different ones also, like Octopi. There's Bao, but that one is kind of buggy. There's different ones, but of all the ones I've tried, because I've been looking into this, because I usually do everything to the terminal, but I've been looking for one that like, but which one is the best? And I found that the best one is this one right here. To install it, you just go you go to your AUR and you type as pamac-aur. This is what you're going to type, and you let it install. It's going to take a while because it has to install like these multiple different package managers or whatever and put them all into one. So that's going to take a while to install. But once you have it installed, you just go down here. I don't know what the name of, that icon is so ugly. Anyway, I don't know why I can't launch it to the terminal. I thought it would be called pamac, but to the terminal it only lets me install packages to like the fucking CLI. Anyway, if you install it here, and there's a few things you probably want to do. So you're gonna go up here to preference. You want to type your password. Well, the update, you can put check for updates you really want right here and toggle this. But I probably don't want to do that because that's probably gonna annoy me. I'll be honest. It's gonna annoy the shit out of me. I like doing everything at my own time. So, right here, I like let me before I teach you what we gotta do, I think there's certain things out here that are pretty nice. You could actually graphically put packages that you want to ignore so you don't have to update them, like things that might break or, it's just things. It's kind of cool. And right here, you can enable remove unrequired dependencies, which is kind of cool. Anyways, I enable downgrade. I think this is kind of nice, so I don't got to do it through the terminal all the time. So this is the tab where you want to go in the third party. You want to enable AUR support. Check for this is just, this is optional right here. You want to go down here, enable Flatpak support. Snap if you're a psychopath. I don't think anyone wants Snap packages, but hey, knock yourself if you want. And the cool thing is you can actually like clear your cache too through here. That's kind of fucking sick. So if you go right here, you can actually see all the packages that you have installed. For example, if you have something that you don't want, like if you're on Arch, you're probably only gonna have the things you install. But I installed not that long ago the Cosmos desktop environment, and it installed a bunch of shit I don't need, and I didn't even know I had all this extra bloat right now. So I'm probably gonna uninstall a lot of this stuff because why the heck do I need these games and stuff? This is why I hate when distributions do this. It makes me feel like I'm on Windows. Well, not distribution, but even like desktop environments. Sometimes when you install like their package built, it has a bunch of different packages that I'm not going to use. Like, what the fuck is even this? Aggregator. I don't even like notifications. Games. Do I look like I'm gonna be playing these type of games? Anglefish. do I need a mobile web browser? Do I really need this? I don't think so. Anyway, so you could the other thing that's nice too, you could update like all the packages that require update through here. You could also go and, well, first of all, you go right here, you look for, I don't know, VCL or VLC, whatever. I don't know. Steam. Oh, they got Steam Link? That's a thing in here? I had no idea. What the heck? Wait, there's different plugins for Steam? I never knew that. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. So yeah, you look for your packages here, and then right here you could check which you got install, repositories. You could look through like different sections that you want to specifically only install Flatpak. You don't want you don't want any like packages from a different area. So you just go right here and like there's like the different stores and there's all. It's kind of nice. I'm not even gonna lie. I told myself I wasn't going to use this app, but I saw certain things that I'm like, huh. I kind of want to use this because I didn't know Steam Link was a thing, and I got a bunch of packages that I didn't even know I had that I don't want. So I'm probably gonna end up using this. I know I said I wasn't going to, but I'm going to now. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.
Dim, dam, dadilam, vacarme s'en va dans l'oubli éternel. Et Gustave, dom guardiam, dilim, dididididam, lutes sera dodidam, seram. Dim, dim, da da da, dim, dim, da da da, dim, da di dam. Dim dim da 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 dim dim da 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 dim